Alright, 11.6, it's a little simpler chapter. There's not many notes. It's based on capacity and weight, which we already did capacity and weight back in chapter 9. So a lot of this will be review again. The biggest issue that we run into is we have conversions between units. And one of the things you can use to remember is gallon guy, which was hanging up on our board for a while, or you can draw the big G. What I mean by the big G, a lot of you will remember this. You start with the big squared off G, and that represents 1 gallon. Inside the big G, you do 4 Q's, and these represent the 4 quarts. Inside each Q, the 2 P's for pints, and then inside each one of the P's, you put the 2 C's for cups. And that will kind of help you remember the conversions between these. There's 2 cups in every pint, there's 2 pints in every quart, and there's 4 quarts in every gallon. So, how many pints are in a gallon? You just count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that will tell you there's 8 pints in the gallon. Now, one of the things you will need to remember also is that 1 cup does equal 8 ounces. And that will help you with some conversions later on. And that's listed right here. Connecting the big G to weight, 1 cup equals 8 ounces, and that's what we talked about. The abbreviation for ounces is OZ. Fluid ounces are volume, and that's how much. If you look at a bottle of water, it tells you it has 12 fluid ounces, and that's how much water is in there. If you're talking about weight, it's just ounces. So that can get a little confusing. Adding that fluid turns it into a volume question. Ounces alone is a weight question, and that means how heavy. So that's kind of the big difference here. So in this chapter, use the big G to help you get through the conversions. And remember that we're talking about not just volume, but also weight. And that will help you get through all of the parts of the journal.